He wharenui hou I tuhura I Ōtautahi.
This idea of a crochet whare started to come through, and I saw it straight away. It was neon pink, it was woolen. The intention early on was for it to feel like an embrace of your nanny as you walk in.
Ko Lissy raua ko Rudi Robinson-Cole, ngā ringatoi o te Wharenui Harikoa, he whare taura e tūwhera ana ki te whare taonga o Waitaha. I whakaarohia e Lissy I te tau 2018.
We're thinking, what would be the purpose of this wharenui? And then it was just so happens I was reading Dr. Rangi Mātāmua's book, and then on Matariki, and then I think that our wharenui needs to tell all the stories of Matariki, and it just made sense. We went on that journey of, three-dimensional, whakairo, mahi whakairo, and crochet, which is very interesting for us, doing something totally different that no one else had ever seen before.
I āwhinatia e ngā ringatoi Māori e iwa no ngā haue whā.
Bringing on our support really of our other ringatoi has been really, really, really important, and informing also too the designs. We collaborated with them on the different aspects of the whare, and in terms of, we've got 4 international fibre artists that we had reached out to, and that was always because of our intention of having a whare that we knew would travel the world, that was really to bring into the house.
E ai ki tētahi o ngā tautiaki no te whare taonga, aha tisa siumanu tawha, he wā pai mō ngā taonga Māori hou, pērā ki tēnei wharenui.
So it's quite obvious to me when I walk through here, it reflects the things that people love. The potential in what is happening out there in terms of how people are interpreting their own cultures, their own structures, architecture, arts, their own visual language. It's really amazing for the museum to be able to show this. This is just at the extreme end of of Māori innovation and what they're capable of in terms of creative endeavours.
Nō nāia nei e mōhiotia ana I te ao whānui.
At this stage, the De Young Museum in San Francisco, working to bring her over for September 2026. And then there are 3 institutions in the UK, and it's being pitched to Germany.
Ka noho te whakaaturanga ki Ōtautahi, ki te 27 o Paenga Whawha. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.